I'm from New York and New Jersey, and I have a Jersey home. So I'm gonna do a quick little tour on my second home here in Dirty Jersey. Now this here is, I don't know, I guess kind of like the den, or I don't know. It's like a little lounge area. So like, if we're gonna have a meeting, we'll meet here, or you know, have a cocktail, 1942, some Moet, you know, rosé. And honestly, this is just for decoration. We don't really drink this. But this right here, we do drink. Go on the main floor. Now here is the guest bathroom, right here. So it's a half bathroom. There's not a shower. So it's just the guest bathroom, straight to the point. Here we have our kitchen. We have a mini TV. We've got our island. And by the way, this house used to look a mess.com before we moved in. Like, we renovated the entire house. So this house before was like brown and yellow. It didn't have this island right here. It didn't have this marble. It didn't have the white, it was all like brown cabinets and brown floors. And I hate brown. So I wanted it to be more modern. So my mom wanted to be more modern. So she thought of the idea, and together we came with, like, you know, decorations and things like that. Here's like the dining room. So we don't really eat here. Again, all of this, decoration. But when we do have parties, which we usually do, because we're not always in town, so when we are in town, we always throw a party, a gathering, and we all get together, and then we do use this table. And then here is the living room. So there's the couch, there are 2 chairs, TV, and we have decorations. Oh, here's my mom. Hi. So I was just giving them a tour and everything on the living room. Oh. And I told them how this house used to be brown and yellow before we moved in.
Oh yeah. Had to jazz it up a little bit.
Oh yeah.
We don't have any photos.
Yeah, we don't have any photos in any of these frames, but it's coming soon. So we added this screen for Bailey so we can come in and out. And like, so we can avoid. It's really nice during the summer. But yeah, so you can see the view of like the hills and the other houses, other homes. This is the outside patio. Let's go back inside. I'll show you guys my bedroom. Is my room. My second room, I really love the beach, and I love like just everything about the beach. So I have this same theme back in LA, but it's pink. So this one is yellow. So yeah, this is my room. This is my serenity. And there are 4 bedrooms total. You won't see all of them because no one will show their rooms. But so this is the bathroom. Oh my God, the shower that we used to have was terrible. It was like an outdated shower. It was like a white little tub and a white little, it was just corny.com. Like literally this house was built in what, 89? So it looked like it was built in 89. So we did this whole thing over, new updated shower, updated toilet, and updated sink. So everything honestly in this house is still like being worked on in a way, but we made a lot of progress. Now here is the 3rd bathroom. We did this entire bathroom over like in its entirety. If you look at this light switch right here, this was the color of the bathroom. This marble was this color, the walls, we redid everything. And we're still low-key doing little things, like I said before, but this whole bathroom was yellow and red. But yeah, so this is what is this called?
Jacuzzi.
This is a jacuzzi. And by the way, this is my grandmother lives here as well, and she has never used this jacuzzi. So this is just here for nothing. And we have our double sinks. So I use one of these once in a while. Toilet, and we have this bomb shower. The shower is bomb. You're gonna want to shower in the shower. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the basement. Again, we're still working on everything. So I'll just show you the basement. Hence the laundry sign. We have our washer, our dryer, this thing, which I don't really know what it's for, but we have that. So we wash, dry, fold, and we have our TV. So we watch TV whenever we want to just like kill time while folding, even though I gotta admit, when my clothes are done drying, I just throw them in this bin and I don't fold anything. Next, we're actually decorating for Thanksgiving. So we bought these little tables from Amazon, I think. Yeah, from Amazon.
We're gonna have like a DJ section.
Yeah, we have DJ equipment over here. We're gonna have a DJ. We're gonna have our entire family at the house, partying, eating.
But in reality, this is gonna be a gym. This is gonna
this is gonna actually be a gym. This whole area, but since we haven't worked on it yet, we might as well just make it the party area. But yeah, so this is everything.
We have one more balcony.
Oh, we also have another balcony.
That's where Bailey goes out to run.
This is like the area where I bring my friends. We all just chill here, outside of a party, and you can just be free. But the thing is, like, I don't really let Bailey run out here that much because there's no gates or anything. She will run away because she loves to run. She's a little crazy. We also have cameras around our entire house. So if you look right there, there's 2 cameras. I don't know why there's 2, but my mom is crazy. There's cameras all over the house. So when you think we're not watching you when you're over here, we're watching. Here's our bar section where we just bought everything for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna be behind the bar, making drinks that I don't know how to make, and yeah, it's gonna be cool. So we're just getting everything together, getting everything in one. And let me show you this room over here. We don't even know what we're doing with this room, but we have it. We're thinking about making it another bathroom or an office space. I don't know. It's a small little room. So right now it's just like the junk room because we don't know what we're doing. I'm gonna look at my graduation stuff, 2018, and JCU. Look at all these honor cords. The girl right here is smart. Okay. So one day you will finally see my LA room when I actually clean up. Like, I haven't cleaned up my room in a long time. That's why you only see my living room and my vlogging room, like the white room that you see me doing videos in. Because my room upstairs, sometimes it's really cute, but there's clothes everywhere and it's atrocious. So, but yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on